Hello Vivekians, Param ma'am again welcomes all my dear students to the fifth day of EVS, and I thank everybody for cooperating with us for making school from home program a successful one. Well, I believe that you all are spending quality time and doing well in your study also. Let's recap the previous work which we had done yesterday. We came to know about the care and appreciation for one another are the real strength of a family from the topic roles of family members. And I hope you also enjoyed while doing your assignment, that is, let's try 5 and my turn 4 in a very interesting way. Now you must be waiting on which topic ma'am is going to discuss today. Alright, today's topic is caring for old people. What came in your mind when I just said this topic name? Of course, हमको हमारे grandparents याद आए, right? Before I explain it, I would like to highlight the objective of topic is to be sensitive and caring towards the elderly, to know about the certain things used by old people. Your grandparents love you deeply, isn't it? So, today we shall talk more about our lovely grandparents, how we have to communicate and take care of them, as our role is that of serving respect and unconditional love towards them. They also look for love and respect from us. क्या आपके दिमाग में भी कई बातें आ रही हैं अपनी ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स को लेकर? Even I have couple of questions to ask about your grandparents. How often do you meet your grandparents? How do they look? Can you name few things they use very commonly? Here we go. As every family is of different types based on the family members, as explained by Neetu ma'am. Some family live with their grandparents and some stay far, like in other city, town or states. They look different from our parents as they have grey hair. We see wrinkles on their faces. They use spectacles. Yes, dear ones, as they grow old, their body becomes weak. Eyes become weak. That is why they use spectacles to see things clearly. They need support to walk, and that is why they use the walking stick to walk properly also. Now ma'am is going to read the page number 10. Take out your books and put date on this page. Listen to ma'am's reading so that it will help to improve your reading skill. Those who don't have books, we will be providing them screenshots of these pages. Grandparents are the eldest members of your family. They are the parents of your mother and father. Look at your grandparents. They look very different from your parents. They may have grey hair. They walk and talk slowly. They sometimes forget things easily. हमारे ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स हमारी फैमिली के सबसे बड़े सदस्य हैं. वे आपके पेरेंट्स के मम्मी और पापा हैं. Now, if you see your grandparents, they look different from your parents. How they are different from your parents? जैसे कि मैम ने बताया, उनके बाल सफ़ेद हो जाते हैं, बहुत धीरे धीरे चलते हैं, सबके साथ अपनी बातें भी धीरे ही करते हैं और कभी कभी तो वे अपनी चीज़ें रखकर भी भूल जाते हैं. These are signs of old age. As we grow old, our body becomes slow and weak. That is why old people take assistance of others. You should help them as much as possible. क्या आपने देखा आपके पेरेंट्स आपके दादू और दादी का किस तरह ध्यान रखते हैं? उनके साथ हमेशा रहते हैं. आपको भी अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का इसी तरह ध्यान रखना चाहिए. बिफोर वी डिस्कस हाउ शुड वी हेल्प आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, फर्स्ट वी सी व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यूज्ड बाय रेहान, पुनीत and Ruby's grandparents in this section. Rehan's grandfather is around 65 years old. His eyesight is weak. He needs spectacles, yani chashma, to read the newspaper and books. Puneet's grandmother uses a hearing aid to hear properly. हियरिंग एड यानी एक ऐसी डिवाइस जिसे हम कानों के पास यूज़ करते हैं जिससे हमें सुनने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. Ruby's grandmother can eat soft food like juice and soup only as she has lost most of her teeth. So we see most grandparents use such things in their daily routine due to old age. At this time, we should help them in all the ways so that they feel comfortable in the environment. Let's see how can we help our grandparents by doing those little things that will put smile on their faces. Children can play an important role in supporting the elderly people in the house. Though grandparents become weak in old age, they still have many stories about their lives to share with children. They have better experience of life, so they can guide children properly. Always listen to their advice, spend some time with them and listen to their stories. They can also help their grandparents in their daily chores, such as fetching their spectacles or bringing a glass of water for them. Dear children, you know grandparents are the roots of a family. We should always treat them with respect and care. They need someone to listen and talk. उन्हें आपकी ज़रूरत है. आपसे बातें करना उन्हें बहुत अच्छा लगता है. They have so many stories and experiences from their own lives to share. You should talk to them about how they used to be in their childhood days. वे बचपन में कैसे थे और किन दोस्तों के साथ वो खेलते थे. उनसे उनके दोस्तों का नाम पूछा करें और वो कैसी ऐसी शरारतें भी करते थे. और आप भी उनके साथ बोर्ड गेम्स खेलें और उनको अपने साथ इन्वॉल्व करें. Like go for a walk with them. It will be good for their health as well as they will enjoy your company. Give them some reading books or read newspaper for them. Grandparents love to be in nature. Water the plants with them. उन्हें उनकी चीज़ें देने में मदद करें, जैसे पानी का ग्लास पकड़ाने में, उन्हें रूम तक लेके जाने में मदद करें. By spending some quality time, they will definitely feel very happy and comfortable. And please be polite to them. When you act politely to your grandparents, it shows that you value and respect them. Grandparents also love to listen from their grandchildren as well. You can share your feelings, joys, school experiences with them. They will always guide you to grow up into a great human being. All they need is your love and care. Always thank them for their constant love and blessings. Hope today's discussion was very valuable and you will make your grandparents feel happy always. Today's home assignment is let's try 6 and my turn 5. So dear ones, this is all for today. Till then, stay home, stay safe and enjoy your time with your lovely family members. Thank you.